I got a bad feeling about this, man. Didn't Frank pass on this job?
I need the money, Kevin. We're in. Let's go. All right. Give me a couple of your bobby pins. Okay. Most people think picking locks is like mysterious. But locks are actually kind of easy to crack. You don't even need a kit like I used. All right, so this is your tension lever. And this is your pick. So we're gonna take the tension lever and stick it in the bottom of the lock. Okay, now there's 5 pins in this lock. We're gonna take the pick and put it in the lock just above the tension lever. And we're gonna feel for the pins. Now, one of the pins is gonna be harder to push up than the others. It's called the seized pin. And that's the one we're looking for. So, okay, there, that guy. All right, now push him up while you turn the tension lever. And guess what?
Please tell me your father didn't teach you that.
I saw it on YouTube.